Hello, for today's video, we're going to talk about unoriginal content. So first, we just have to go to homepage and check your professional dashboard and check the monetization and click the stars and it will show you your violation. My violation is unoriginal content. So this happens when you use a music or audio that is not your original audio. To fix that, you just have to go to your homepage and go all the way to the bottom and you will see the help and support, and then click the support inbox and then your alerts. I have no violation, but this is where usually they specify which video is your unoriginal content. So for me to fix that is I just have to go to my homepage and look for my very recent video, which is this reel, and I use the audio that is not mine and it was a copyright, so I chose to delete from both, from my Instagram and Facebook. And after that, I just want to make sure that I deleted the right video. So all you have to do is to go back to your monetization professional dashboard and click the stars, and there you have it. I have no more violations. Thank you for watching. Please share for more.